Hello guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my another vlogs. So today my vlog is about as you can see on my title, nursing visa. So this vlog I'm making in English because of many those people, they are coming from different country and might be they will not understand my language. So because I don't think so only Asian people are interesting in this topic, and that's why I'm trying to make this vlog in simple English. So I hope you will also understand what I'm talking about, and I will try to explain in very simple way. So let's come to the main point. So today I'm talking about nursing visa. So Germany introduced nursing visa for many other countries, especially for Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, because these kind of people in India, they are doing like nursing, and they after that they move here. So I gonna explain you the all process, how long time it will take, and how is career, and how much money you can make when you land here, how is your future after you reach here, what is the chance of settlement, everything. So let's come to the main point. If you finish your nursing degree from your home country, even Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, whatever your country, if you finish it, what you need to do, you need to first of all try to contact to Goethe Institute in your home country. Every country, Germany make German language institute which called Goethe Institute. You need to learn German language up to B2 level, and once you finish B2 level exam, you need to apply for here different school, college, different hospital and clinic. And after that, uh, when you apply, you will get sometime you get direct job, sometime you get conditional jobs. It depend case to case. But once you are learning German language, you will meet a lot of people over there, and 100% I'm sure you will get all information over there. And if you didn't get the information, you can research about it. If you finish your nursing degree, it's mean you are educated person. You can get all information very easily and fast track. The most important things, my reason I'm making this vlog, because many people they don't have awareness, especially like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan. We don't have that kind of awareness like people can land to Germany if they finish a nursing from their home country. The test is not that much difficult, it's really easy. Germany need every kind of medical profession people. There is a lot of job shortage for those people related to any kind of medical field. But rank number one is priority is nursing, rank number two priority is doctor. And after this, there is also a lot of opportunities from different field regarding medical. So when you finish B2, just grab to apply, and I hope when you get the opportunities, you can get the when you get a job, you can land here. Let's come to the main point, pay. How much you can make here. Minimum salary is up to 3,000 euro. If you do nighttime overtime, or if you do overtime night shift, it's reached to 4,500 maximum. So you need to keep in your mind your salary will be 3,000 to up to 4,500 euro. Now after tax, I'm sure if you are earning 3,000, if you are a single person, after tax you gonna be get 2,000 euro. It's not a bad amount, and you can refund your tax after whole year. But you need to learn how you can refund your taxes. And so if you do night shift, you can earn up to 4,000. After tax, you will get 2,700 euro, which is not bad. Let's next, the third point, settlement. If you are landing here in Germany nursing visa, it's not 100%. Your salary is not reached to the blue card category. You will get work permit for 5 years, and if you have a proof that you live in Germany for 5 years, you pay social security, you will get after that permanent residency. Once you have permanent residency, you already did B2 level. After 6 years, you can apply if you want for passport and nationality as well. So this is the most important thing. what I want to share with you. And thank you so much for watching my vlog, and see you in next vlog. And please tell me about what you want to know about in future, which kind of topic you want to know. I will definitely share with you with my experience. Have a good day and take care of yourself, and please share my video with other people so they will know about this nursing visa and they will get opportunities. I know personally myself, I know few people, they land here in Germany on nursing visa. So there is another option. If you didn't do nursing from your home country and you finish your 12-year education, you can land to Germany or Ausbildung nursing visa. So you need to do nursing from here, and then after that you will get definitely job in Germany. For that you need to do also B2 level language from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, whatever country you are belong from. When you have a B2 language certificate, you need to apply for nursing Ausbildung here in Germany. Then to get visa, you will land here, you will learn, you will get the degree here in 3 years, and during this degree the government will pay you like each month 1,000 euro for your financial support. So this vlogs I hope will gonna help you in your future. Thank you so much.